Hello everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can locate and share your Indeed link. So let's get right into it. But before I do, let me quickly explain what Indeed is and how it functions and so on and so forth. So yeah, Indeed is a hiring slash job seeking app, very similar to LinkedIn, where you can either be a job seeker and search for jobs according to some specifications which you find interesting, or you can build your online resume as well, or you can be an employer and put up job listings and manage any applicants to your job, and etc. etc. But yeah, as I've said, the purpose and the main topic of this video is to show you how you can link your Indeed resume. So let's get right into it. Now, once you, if you are a job seeker, once you log into your account and choose to be a job seeker, you'll be met with this screen. Here you can search for jobs. We're not going to be doing that now, so it is pretty useless for us. But this screen is important, and what you want to do to find your resume is to go here in the top right and see this sort of person silhouette icon and click on that. Once you're there, just go to your profile, and once you're here, you will see your resume if you have actually created it. If you have not created it, you'll have an option to build your resume on the spot, so don't worry and just build your resume. And once you're done with that, just click on the resume, and once you're here, click on the three dots in the top right and just click share a link to my resume. First, you'll need to be searchable on LinkedIn to actually share your resume, so make sure you're that. Here's your link. You can just copy this and share it with your friends or employers, or put it in your other resume if you have one, and so on and so forth. But that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll be seeing you next time.